Hey there, guys. Got a new video for you today, and you'll be surprised. It's nothing to do with my ass. In fact, it's quite the opposite end. Oh, got some escapees here. It's this. Can you see it? Probably not. It's a Pratt dilator set for urethral dilation, and they're wanting to slide out. It's a really nice set. Comes in this nice zippered case, which I've just found out you really should keep it zippered at all times so they don't go shooting right out. Anyway, that's enough of that. And they come in, as you can see, that's actually, what is that, 16 different sizes? Because each end, I don't know if you can see it. I can't. Looking in the camera. Yeah, you can. Right there. That's the next size up. And they're marked, which I'm sure you can't see because the background light is too bright. This one says 31, and at the opposite end, this one is 29. I'm assuming that's millimeters. I don't know anything about metric. They're really nice. I had to ask on Amazon. I had to, ask the community because I've heard that hollow ones are really not good because you have to kind of drive them down in because they're hollow, which is not really what you want to do. Well, this one's kind of large. I'll get a smaller one. Be frightening everybody off. You want the solid ones, so when they're lubed up, they're just kind of gravity fed and they just kind of slowly sink down your urethra gradually. And the hollow ones, you have to cram them in. And we've all, I'm sure, heard the horror stories. I'm not going to repeat them because they are horrific. But the nice thing about this, it's really a gradual change in the diameter. So while your inner urethra is getting used to this diameter, up towards the top, you can go in a little bit further and start to get used to the next diameter. And the lubes, I'm probably going to catch hell about this from somebody. The first time I used this was on it was a E-stim sounding rod, which are really fun. And I was, like any guy, a little bit hesitant, a little bit leery. So I used some of this with lidocaine on the sound to numb myself up. And it works. It works really good. But the thing is, when you're inserting the sounding rod, kind of all the lube, you lube the whole thing up, and as you're inserting it, all the lube tends to slide up the sound and ends up at your pee hole up at the top. So you kind of have to pull it out and reapply, and it is a bit of a process. But if you try it and stick with it, you're really going to like it. So for lubes, this one obviously for deadening, for, people who are a bit iffy about it. This one, Sliquid, is a silicone-based hypoallergenic lube. I'm sure lots of you are familiar with silicone lubes. So that's one. And for the rest of you who are even less sure about it, you can try this one. It's the electrogel, but it's salt-free, which that's also very important, salt-free, because you don't want salt going down your urethra. That's going to hurt. And it's hypoallergenic. And I think I got 2 tubes of this for, I think, $12 and change. And this Pratt set of solid stainless steel sounds I got from Amazon for $25.33. And like I said, it comes in this really nice case, even though background light, you can't see it. It is a very nice case. It's heavy. I mean, the whole thing is probably 4 pounds. So it's substantial. You know, you drop it, it's gonna do that. And this one even scares me, because this one is so heavy. It's a weapon. This one, maybe this time next year. And then again, maybe not. I'm not real sure because damn. That thing, here's my little finger, and there's the sounding rod. Spot the difference. And this thing, you could let go and it's going in whether you want it to or not, because it's that heavy. And I read on one of the reviews, one of the reviewers said you should start with 2 sizes larger than what you expect. And I think he was referring to people who have done it before. So he's saying, okay, this end would be 1 size. This end, that's 2. Well, obviously, 3 and 4. So 2 sizes larger would mean start with this one. But for guys and girls just starting sounding, I would go with the smallest one possible, so you don't scare yourself. And don't, whatever you do, don't get impatient. Just let it gravity just do the work. And it will slowly sink down in. But like I said with the lubes, you'll have to take it out, kind of reapply the lube. Make sure you wash your hands before you do this. Wash them really well. And just give it a try. It's really, really good. I'm sure some of you have probably seen it. And if you haven't, well, there are some porn sites. I think Pornhub, you can, search sounding, because I've seen some of the videos of, how to use them. And like I said, they are fun. Although, this one down here, I'm thinking, no. That's what I'm thinking right now is, no. But we'll see. This set, like I said, it's Pratt. It was $25.33 from Amazon. I think that's a pretty damn good deal for solid stainless steel. And a very nice case that you can't see because the background light is too bright. Damn it. Okay, so that's today's video. give it a like, leave a comment. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.